my channel. I'm Selah, and in today's video I'm going to be prepping and packing for a girls trip in Florida. This is my first time away from the baby for like over 24 hours or even 24 hours. So I'm nervous for that, but super excited to go to Florida with my girls. But first we have to prep and pack. So I'm gonna head to the mall today and get some things, not too much just because I am still in between sizes being postpartum and everything, but I have lost quite a bit of weight, so I need some things that fit me right now. So I figured it'd be fun to take you guys along with me. If you guys are new here and you like travel and lifestyle videos, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me throughout the week of prepping and packing, and I'm so excited to head to Florida with my girls. Look at his face. He went. Is that a doggy? Is that a doggy? Oh. Is that a doggy? Yeah. Doggy. So I just came to my mom. She's gonna do my toes for vacation. We got Tanner. Carter loves him. Okay guys, I look crazy, but it's Tuesday right now. I just got back from the gym and I did go tanning. That's why I look like crazy and red. But I have to fold all of this laundry first and foremost. I also got a package in the it looks like I'm gonna fly away. I also got a package in the mail from Amazon just for a last minute shirt and little set. So I'm hoping it works out. If not, I'm gonna go return it today, but I'm gonna show you guys like what I got for the trip that's new. This is like the first time I've bought new clothes in a super long time. Now that I'm finally starting to lose weight, I'm like on my way to be able to have pieces that will last me. And I didn't want to buy a lot of clothes beforehand because I knew that I was planning to lose weight. And obviously I don't fit my maternity stuff anymore. So hopefully this package works out. But I did go to Altered State the other day that you guys saw, and I'll show you guys what I got from there as well. Okay guys, welcome to my messy bedroom. I just kind of like put some curls in my hair just so I don't look like a total train wreck when I'm trying some stuff on. Otherwise I'll like hate everything. But first and foremost, like I said, we went to Altered State the other day, and why? Tell me why. Why did nobody tell me that this is my literal dream store? Like every single thing in the store is like right up my alley, like stuff that I would typically only be able to find online. And now that they have a store here in Michigan, I'm so excited. So I got a couple things. The first thing I got is this little like ruffle cinched top in this pretty yellow color. I figured I could wear that with like just some plain jean shorts. And then I got this gorgeous dress. This is like the first thing that I saw when I walked into the store. This is so beachy and so Florida. I love this. Could not pass these up. I've been looking for a rhinestone studded pair of jeans or jean shorts, and I found these in my size and I'm obsessed. Like, look at that. So I also ordered like a little white corset top from Amazon that I'm hoping fits. We're gonna try that on next, but those are the things I got from Altered State, and I will try to link down below anything that I can and on my like to know it. So let's try on and look at the package from Amazon. Okay, my camera was not recording when I just opened that, but this is the first thing I got, and I actually have this corset in orange from a long time ago. This is an extra large though, and it honestly looks really small, so I don't know about that. But I was thinking this together with like some white strappy heels or sandals. And then I also got this in a size large. This is the skirt, which is stretchy, so this will probably really fit. And then this is like the matching top. It's just like a little tube top, and then it like kind of goes down like that. So let's try it on and see. I'm also like looking over what exactly it is that we are doing. I'm staying at my friend Alex's aunt's place down there, and really the vibes I'm getting is just like pool and beach during the day, which I love, like a tiki bar during the day also, and then dinner Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday probably just whatever we want, like chill day. So I really just need like 3 nice outfits, and then like swimsuits and beach cover-ups, and then Sunday probably just like those that yellow top with some jean shorts. My problem is swimsuits. So in Puerto Rico, I was still a lot bigger. I was in my January trip, and I could kind of fit in my maternity swimsuits. Now I'm in between sizes, and I'm like 12 pounds away from my pre-pregnancy weight. So I'm gonna have to wear like high-waisted swim shorts probably. After this, I'm probably gonna go to Target and just like see my options if there is anything, but I'm gonna go through my swimsuits here first. Also, my packing method is really take out everything that I think that I would pack and then like throw it in a pile and then like go through it and put together outfits. So first things first, let's try on these Amazon clothes. Okay, so this is the Amazon 2-piece set, and honestly, it's okay. I feel like these types of sets just look so much better on someone that isn't so wide, and I also have a very large up here. So I don't know. Also, the white top did not fit one single bit. My boobs were way too big for it, so I'm gonna have to go return that right after this. I'm really sad though, because this would have been so cute together. But now I'm just gonna have to look in my closet and try to find something or another white top. So let's go through my closet and just pull out things that are options. This is really where the problem comes in. I don't even know where to begin. Okay guys, so I just threw my hair up, I was sweating, but I just did the return. I'm gonna run to Kohl's, and I actually have to run to Target too, because I just had a whole crash out because I just tried on my bathing suits and none of them fit me. So I have to go to Target and Kohl's, so that's where we're going right now. Okay guys, sorry, it's super sunny, but I just left Target and I got a couple suits. Honestly, I feel so discouraged. I've lost 35 pounds since having a baby, and I was finally feeling good. I fit in like one of my old pairs of jean shorts. And then today I had to buy like almost a double XL swimsuit. Like, I don't know if I'm just like have body dysmorphia, like, or what, but I don't know. This is crazy that I'm in this size after losing 35 pounds. Like, is women's sizing absolutely insane or what? Because I picked up a medium, what I used to wear. Okay, sorry, that was weird. Some man just came up to my car and said that I forgot a bag. And then the Target guy went to hand me someone else's bag. But anyways, what I was saying is women's sizing is absolutely crazy, I feel. I don't know. But I got 2 swimsuits. I got this pink one that has shorts. And then this one's actually really cute. This is just like a little one piece. Now I gotta go pick up my kid. Hi guys, it's Thursday today. I haven't talked to you guys in a couple days. Yesterday, I just like cleaned up the house and stuff, but I'm talking kind of quiet because the baby is napping right now, which means I am going to meal prep some dinners for Ryan for when I'm gone. I'm gonna be making enchiladas and spaghetti and meatballs, 2 of his favorite things, and those are like big portion meals, so that will last him like lunch and dinner. Luckily, my husband is like perfectly okay and loves eating leftovers, so that will be fine for him for like the whole weekend. And we have a fully stocked fridge if he like wants something else. But I just figured I would make that for him so he has some dinners and lunch while I'm away. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then I pretty much finished packing yesterday. I just have to like put my toiletries in a bag and like do my hair and makeup stuff. But don't mind my hair. I have to shower and wash it tonight, so it's like super greasy right now. So I'm going to leave my hair stuff and makeup out and everything because I'm going to do my hair before I go to the airport. I am leaving at like 4 in the morning to head to my friend Alex's house, and then we're going to head to the airport together. I'm so excited. I'm not going to be vlogging while I'm in Florida just because I don't know how my friends would feel about me shoving a camera in their face all weekend, but I am going to probably do like TikToks and YouTube shorts. So if you guys don't already, follow me along on TikTok, and then also watch out for YouTube shorts. I am going to be doing some short form content. So let's get cooking. So this is my favorite enchilada sauce to use. I just prefer to use green. You could use red, white, doesn't matter, but I like the green. And then someone just woke up. I see you. But basically I just put 1 can on the bottom, and then I'm gonna top the enchiladas with the other 2. I actually have a different brand for the top ones because we couldn't find the other one. This is just the Meyer brand. But after the meat is done cooking, I add cheese, put them in the tortillas and roll them up, add cheese on top, and then add the sauce. Super easy. Also, these are the wraps I'm gonna be using for the enchiladas. Normally, I would use a little bit smaller ones, but this is all we have. I went ahead and prepped all the meatballs, so those are ready to pop in the oven along with the enchiladas. The baby's just enjoying some watermelon while Mom's cooking. You like watermelon? I just froze some watermelon cubes and put them in these little silicone teethers, and he loves it. Alright, so far so good. Now I have to pack my carry-on. So this is the travel bag that I always use for like my toiletries. I just have like my skincare, body lotion, body wash, makeup removers, deodorant, my razor. I just realized I don't have a travel shampoo and conditioner, so hopefully the girls have one that I can borrow. And then I also packed up all my jewelry, just some bracelets and earrings in here. Oh, I'm gonna miss you so much. Please be a good boy this weekend. It's Dad and Son weekend. It's boys weekend. Mommy's gonna miss you though. Be a good boy? So I think I'm gonna take this little Dior bag for my carry-on. Well, it's not little, fits a lot of stuff. I have my cash in here, lip products, hand sanitizer, all that good stuff in here. Sunglasses, another pair of sunglasses, my Polaroid camera. I'm also gonna put my Kindle in here, my cards and ID, AirPods. Oh, that reminds me, I also have to grab my headphones for like the TV on the plane. Some hair and lotion, hair ties, a Jolly Rancher, and some gum. This fits a lot, so if I need to throw anything from here into there, that'll be perfect. Alright guys, that's it for today's prep and pack with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to get ready for Florida. When you guys see this, I will already be back from my trip. So like I said, stay tuned for all the short form content on my TikTok and YouTube shorts. I'm hoping to get a decent amount of content on there for you guys. I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.